Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. I am Jimwell A. Deramas from BIT3A Set A, and I'm here to discuss power side mirror and electronic power steering. First, we have to know the principle in the definition of power side mirror. While almost all cars have outside mirrors on either side of the pillar, adjusting them is quite a pain, especially if you don't have internally adjustable outside mirrors. With power mirrors, you can adjust not only the driver's side mirror but also the front passenger side mirror without stretching. Somewhere near the driver's side door is a joystick or a directional pad buttons which you can use to adjust mirror at the time. Ang purpose po ng power side mirror is yung side mirror po natin magagalaw po natin siya even kahit di po natin siya i-adjust or pupunta pa po tayo sa side mirror para i-adjust siya. So, medyo kailangan po natin nun ng effort. So, yung power side mirror po is electronics po siya. So, makokontrol mo po siya o sa driver side, makokontrol mo po yung galaw ng side mirror or either i-adjust mo siya sa side passenger side or sa driver side, magagalaw mo po siya nang hindi ka po gumagalaw sa seat mo or ini-stretch mo pa yung kamay mo para abutin yung mga side mirror. A power mirror lets you adjust the field of view electronically with the aid of a rocker switch or buttons, which are typically placed near the driver's side door. Powered outside mirrors are allow the driver to adjust the mirror's position without stretching. If the car has auto folding mirror feature, then the mirrors fold in and fold automatically upon locking and unlocking the car. Now let's head to its components. One of the main components is the mirror glass itself, which is the reflective surface that allows the driver to see the surroundings of the vehicle. The mirror glass may be flat or convex, depending on the design, and it usually adjustable to allow the driver to change its angle for better visibility. Another important component is the motor, which controls the movement of the mirror. The motor is responsible for adjusting the position of the mirror glass horizontally and vertically, allowing the driver to customize the view according to their preference. The power side mirror also includes a control switch or button, usually located inside the vehicle near the driver's seat. This switch allows the driver to control the movement of the mirror. By pressing the switch in different directions, the driver can adjust the mirror glass the desired position. Additionally, there may be other components such as wiring harnesses, connectors, and control modules that facilitate the communication between the control switch and the motor, ensuring proper operation of the power side mirror system. Now let's get to its operation. A power mirror housing hides the motors to move the mirror up and down and left and right from a pivot point. Depending on the driver's inputs and the power mirror buttons, the motors inside the aerodynamic mirror housing adjust the mirror position. Some power mirrors also have a heating function as well as power pole. Now we are done with power side mirror. Let's head to electronic power steering. First, what is electronic power steering and its principle? The electric power steering (EPS) controls and assists the steering process with the support of an intelligent electric motor. Based on the steering signal from the torque sensor, the control unit calculates the optional steering support and sends the information to the electric motor to provide the necessary assistance. Now let's get to its components. Torque sensor measures the amount of torque, or in other terms, the effort being applied by the driver the steering wheel. Electric control unit, or ECU. This will calculate the amount of resisting torque required based on the input data from the torque sensor. Next is electric motor. The ECU controls these components' direction and the amount of processing force it will generate from its position on the either steering rack or steering column. Reduction gear. These components will input the necessary power assist to the steering mechanism. Now let's talk about its operation. When a driver either turns the steering wheel to the left or to the right, steering sensors at the steering column will detect the position and speed of rotation of the wheel, along with extra data from the torque sensor, etc. steering effort that is usually stationed in the steering shaft. All this input information is sent to and evaluated by the Electric Control Unit or ECU. Furthermore, the ECU is sent additional data such as vehicle speed, inputs from the ABS and the Electronic Stability Control or ESC. This module then analyzes all the collected information and determines the proper amount of steering assist that is necessary. Subsequently, the electric motor fulfills the desired amount of steering assist advised by the ECU. While the motor is rotating, attached to each sensor specifically known as the motor resolver sensor that measures the rotation and transfers the feedback to the ECU. Depending on the type of surface of your vehicle is driving on, the amount of steering assist required will vary. For example, driving on snow or sand would require much more steering assistance than if the vehicle was driving on clean road surface. So, with the EPS system incorporating information from the other sensors, an accurate determination of how much steering assist vehicle will need in those specific driving conditions will be provided. So para mas maintindihan po natin yung topic natin ngayon, naglagay po ako ng video para magkaroon pa tayo ng further na kaalaman tungkol sa ating topic.
Power side view mirrors are standard on GS, SE, and GLS with automatic transmission, and available on GLS with manual transmission equipped as part of the comfort package. To operate them, press the toggle switch to the left for the left side mirror, then adjust the mirror using the four-way switch for left, right, up, or down. Press the toggle switch to the right to adjust the right side mirror using the same four-way control. When the mirrors are properly adjusted, place the toggle switch in the middle position to lock the controls. The standard power door locks are also located here, along with the power window switches. Power windows are standard on the GS, SE, and GLS with automatic transmission, and available on the GLS with manual transmission equipped with the comfort package. An auto-down feature is included on the driver's side window. Press fully down on the switch to lower the window automatically. The driver can disable the power window switches by pressing this lock switch. Pressing the switch again unlocks the window switches.
that's it. Salamat sa panunood at pakikinig. I hope na marami kayo natutunan about sa power side mirror and electronic power steering.